elevators at the Shops at Crystals, Las Vegas, Nevada. These are OTIS. Wow, look at this thing. Oh, it doesn't talk. Let's go up to the escalator to the tram, and here we go. Wow, nice LED lights. One. This one's very smooth for an OTIS. The capacity on this is 3,500 pounds. Let's go back up to 3. Immediate door close. Let's try and switch the other one. So this goes up to the monorail up here. Wow. Oh, you can go up one more floor. Okay, let's try and get this one. Hopefully it's working. It's really interesting, OTIS elevators. Apparently it says this one goes up to level 4. Oh, and I can see the cameras already. Oh boy, I hope security doesn't come over. No, if they do. This one might be turned off actually. It might be, I don't know. It says you can go up to level 3. If it is, then we're just gonna take the one on the right. And this one might be closed off. Actually, let's see. Ah, that's what we're looking for. Okay. This is the one I wanted. Here's for tram to lobby. Okay. Alright, so let's go to 1. And then we'll switch off. We'll switch. Or we'll go to 4. So I wanted to see what 4 goes to. I did not know that. I did not know that. Same deal as the other one, obviously. I did not know that this goes to the tram lobby.
Going up.
Here we go.
Floor.
Okay, so up here is the tram lobby, which just goes out to the tram over there, which is just a shuttle over to the Monte Carlo Casino. These are really nice. I mean, I don't like Simon's and Stallings. Again, this wasn't always a Simon mall, so this was Tallman at one point, but then in 2016, ownership changed and this became Simon. This is one of their better performing malls. There's no one here, it's like the middle of the day.
Floor.
See, now this one talks.
Going down.
Let's go to 2. Wow. These are decent. I like these a lot. But again, this obviously was not Simon at one point. Let's see if we can see the OTIS in a lot. It's all the way up there.